Have you ever looked at someone else's life and felt behind? Felt like you're not doing enough? This story is for you. It may change how you see yourself forever. Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by fields and forests, there lived two neighbors, Kamal, a potter, and Rafi, a farmer. Kamal spent his days shaping clay, slow and steady. His pots weren't many, but they were beautiful, smooth, strong, and perfect. Rafi, on the other hand, worked hard in the fields. His crops grew fast, and he always seemed busy, planting, watering, and harvesting. His cart was always full. One evening, Kamal stood outside his hut and watched Rafi returning from the field. The cart overflowed with grain. The villagers clapped and praised him. Kamal smiled, but inside he felt small. I make only a few pots in a week, while Rafi fills carts every day. Am I doing enough? He thought. The next morning, Kamal woke up early and tried to make more pots than usual. He rushed. His hands moved fast, but the clay broke, the pots cracked, and water leaked. He felt frustrated. "Why can't I be like Rafi?" he whispered. Days passed. Kamal worked harder and harder, but grew more tired and more unhappy. Then one day, an old traveler came to the village. He was looking for something special, a gift for a king. He looked at the farmer's grain and smiled, but walked past. He stopped at Kamal's hut and picked up one of his old pots. It was smooth, strong, and beautiful. "This," the traveler said, "is what I've been looking for. A pot like this takes patience, not speed. The king will love it." Kamal was shocked. "But I only make a few. Rafi fills carts. Isn't that better?" he asked. The traveler smiled gently. "Rafi grows food. You create art. You both serve the world in different ways. Don't compare the sun to the moon. They both shine, but at their own time." That night, Kamal sat under the stars. He no longer rushed. He smiled, knowing he was not behind. He was just on his own path. So, the next time you feel small when you look at someone else's success, remember, you are not late, you are not less. You are just you. And that is enough. Thank you for listening to this story on Tales by Novira. If this story touched your heart or gave you a new way to see your life, then please take a moment to like the video, share it with someone who might need it, and subscribe to Tales by Novira for more simple and powerful stories like this.